Hey there, I'm Julian, and in this video I want to show you how you can use Lovable to create websites like this, or even this. And you won't believe how easy it is, because you don't need to know how to code, you don't need any design skills, you can simply talk to the AI and it will build the entire website for you. And in this video I'm going to show you how it works step by step, and we are using Lovable, and the best part, you can even start using it for free. Therefore you will find my partner link down here in the video description. It will allow you to sign up for free and you get up to 30 credits a month to build your project. So just click on the link and it will bring you to this page, and here you can simply click on get started, and then you can sign up with Google or your Apple ID, or you can type in an email address and a password, and then you can sign up to Lovable. And yeah, thank you for using my link down below, then I can make more of these videos in the future. So I will go ahead and sign up, and we see us on the next screen. So once you have signed up to Lovable, it will bring you to this page, and this is the dashboard or the start screen of Lovable, and you always start with a prompt, basically like ChatGPT or Claude. You just type in the prompt and the AI will start working for you. And down here you have different Lovable templates, so other websites people have built already with Lovable. You could use them as a template, but I think the AI is pretty smart, and I would suggest that you directly start with your own thoughts and start talking to the AI. And therefore you can simply click on the microphone icon and start talking, or if you're more the type person, then you can type in whatever you want to build with Lovable. You can build websites, apps, or dashboards, and you have two different modes. The build mode, then the AI directly starts building your website, or you also have a plan mode, which I like to use because then you can give it a little bit more input and it helps you create your website for you. So let's start with the plan mode, and then I can just say, hey, I'm Julian Weber, I'm a YouTuber and I help people build websites and I make tutorials about different AI tools, and I want a homepage where people see a little bit of me and my work, where I can showcase some of my videos, and please start planning this out. And now it's transcribing what I just said. And once it's done, you can type in more if you want as a prompt, or you can just hit enter, and then the AI of Lovable, it will start planning the website for you. And let's wait. It usually takes 1 or 2 minutes. And now what I like about Lovable, it doesn't just start planning like ChatGPT, it asks you a couple of questions. So for example, what you want on your homepage, like which sections, like in a hero section, a featured video section, and maybe some social section and contact section. Then I'm happy with this and click next. And how should your videos be edited, hard-coded, or auto-fetched from the channel? And which social media platforms should I link? YouTube, I'm good with that. How should people connect with you? Social links only, review, and I'm happy. And now I can submit it, and then the AI will plan the website. And after that, we can switch to the build mode and Lovable will start building the website for us. So now it's generating the plan. This can take another minute. And now here we have the plan, and you can go in and change something about the plan, but I am really happy with this. So I can just click on approve. And now we can see that the AI is working on our design drafting, and here we get a couple of suggestions how the website can look, and you can select the one you like. For example, I like this one a lot, so I can just select this and click on select, and now it's reading the answer. And now I have just waited another minute and the AI of Lovable built the entire homepage for us. So therefore you can click here on close sidebar, and then you will see the entire site. So Julian Weber, here's a menu. They can subscribe directly to my YouTube channel. I help you build your own website and master AI tools. Hey, I'm Julian, and they can directly click to YouTube and about me, and then there's a section about me down here, and down here you see a couple of featured videos, and of course I didn't give it any links of my own YouTube videos, so therefore it just put in some placeholders from Ricky Astley, Never Gonna Give You Up, and of course we can change that later, but I think it's funny that it took this video and behind the channel, and it also had some placeholder images right here. And let's stay in touch, YouTube and email. So I think this is a perfect perfect homepage, and now we can fill it with our own pictures and texts. But I think for a template, this is already perfect. And now we can start working on it. And therefore we can open up the sidebar here again, and then we can start talking to the AI and start building another page and add our own images and so on. But before we do so, just to make you aware, every prompt you give the AI and every build out costs you a couple of credits. So for example, the initial prompt to build the homepage already cost you 2.8 credits. And you are probably on the free plan. If you have used my link down here in the video description to sign up, then you get 30 credits a month, and you can see them here. And on the free plan of these 30 credits a month, you can use 5 daily credits. So every day you can go in and use 5 credits. And yeah, this is enough to build a homepage, change a couple of pictures and text, and then probably you need to wait another day and use another 5 credits on the next day. If you don't want that, of course, you can always upgrade to the pro plan and then get started. And then you have 100 credits, or you can choose 200 credits per month and start building your site. But yeah, just to make you aware, because now we start talking to the AI, and if you follow along step by step, you probably run into the credit limit. But now I want to change this image, and I want to give it a couple of videos here from me. Now let's go ahead and tell the AI, hey, I'm giving you a picture of myself. Please upload this on the hero section, and I will give you 3 videos. So please replace the placeholder videos. And now I can just go ahead and click on the plus icon, click on attach. And then here on my computer, I can click on this image here, which is me. And now it will upload my image. And I also have a couple of links to tutorials of mine. And now I can just click enter, and it should replace this image and replace those videos. So let's see how quickly it does it. And now it is done. Let's close the sidebar again, and here we can see it uploaded my picture and it put in my YouTube videos, and people can directly click play on my homepage and watch those videos. And of course I can add more videos, and I can add my own pictures here simply by telling the AI what to do. But I think this is already a good homepage. So there's a picture of me, some text, some videos, and a couple of more pictures. And it's also optimized, for example, for tablet and also for mobile. So this is the mobile version, which people will see on their smartphone, and everything is just designed perfectly. And I really love this, because old website builders, it could be such a hassle to do everything manually with drag and drop, and now you can just speak to the AI and it does it for you. And of course we want to go back to the desktop, and you can also have a preview here. So just click here and it will give you a preview window, and then you can actually click on all the buttons, and you can refresh the page if you made any changes, and you can also share the page with someone. So just type in their email address and click invite, or you can just copy the invite link, send it over, and people can check it out. Or you can directly go ahead and publish this site. So for example, here you will get a dummy domain, and you can change this, for example, Julian's homepage, and it will give you a dummy domain with .lovable.app. And this one is surprisingly not taken, Julian's homepage.lovable.app. And when I click continue, then it will be publicly available, or you can only share it to My Lovable or selected members on your team, but therefore you would need to be on the business plan. But I'm okay if it's live online, then I can click continue. And here you can upload like an icon, which is a favicon, which is displayed here. I have other tutorials here on my channel how to build those with Canva. Check this out. And for SEO purposes, you can just type in anything in here, like the search terms, for example, Julian Weber, let's build your website together. And you will see also the preview here, how it will look like on Google. And of course you want a description where you also use your keywords. Just type it in, and you can upload a social image which will be shared. For example, if you share the link inside WhatsApp, then you always see like a preview picture, and this will be the social image right here. So just make sure for your website, just type in the keywords, how people should find you on Google, get a good social sharing image. If you don't have one, just take a screenshot of your homepage, and then you can click continue. And once you have done this, you will see your URL here. And now I can just click on publish, and it takes a second, and it runs another security scan for me, which is nice. And now the website is live, so I can just copy this, or I directly click on View App. And now you can see under this domain, julianshomepage.lovable.app, the website is already live. And I don't know about you, but this didn't took longer than 10 minutes. And we have a proper website live, like a homepage, a one-pager, and people can see it online, click it, contact me and whatnot. And I think this is perfect. Back in the days, this would have taken much longer. And of course, we don't want to stop there. I will show you now how to add another page and how to make it SEO friendly and everything else. So let's continue. Therefore, we just open up the sidebar again, and I can directly tell the AI, hey, I also want people to be able to contact me. Therefore, I need a contact page where they can type in their email address and their message and send the email to me. And please also include like a Google Maps preview. I will give you the address down below, and people should check out where our office is. And yeah, just build an extra site and link it in the menu. And now I will give it an address. This is just a dummy address in New York, and click enter. And now it will start building this site for me. And sometimes you will notice that Lovable will ask you a couple of questions in the process, which it thinks is important. So for example, what email address should the contact form send the message to? And my email address is contact@julianweber.com. Click next. And should it be a simple Google Maps iframe or an interactive Google Maps API? I think iframe is fine. And now I can submit. So sometimes those questions help Lovable to redefine your prompt. And now it's getting to work and will build the site for us. So now the AI of Lovable is done. It costs us 2.7 credits, which is okay. And let's close the sidebar. And now we have the contact page here, and I can just click on it and it will directly bring me to this contact page here. People can type in their name, email address, and their message and click send. There's also our email address and office address. And of course you can add opening hours and just talk to the AI to do this. And down here we have this Google Maps integration, which is also nice. And here on the page, we have different options down here. For example, we can select elements. For example, I could select this one and then describe what I want to change here. For example, please add opening hours. Just take some hours as placeholders for now. Click send, and then it will automatically think of some opening hours and put them there. And now it is done. It added some opening hours here, some random opening hours, but you get the idea. So this way you can always directly select the item or the container on the page you want to change. And you can also now just change text. So for example, if I'm opening up at 8, I can just jump in, and when I close earlier, I can just change the hours here and click send, and it will directly change the text for me. And if you work in Teams, you can also add a comment to something. If you, for example, think this window here is too big, you can add a comment, and then someone else who approves the design can change this. So yeah, this is just a little gimmick, but it doesn't change much because you can just always open the sidebar here and then just start talking to the AI, and you can just then build out your entire site here. So now we have the homepage, we added our pictures, our videos, and we have a contact page, and you would go ahead and add whatever you want. You can add pop-ups, you can add, for example, an online store, you can build a funnel where people need to answer a couple of questions. And when you try to do complex things, you can always switch to the plan mode and the AI will help you build that. But the main idea is you don't need to move any elements around on the canvas. You just speak to the AI and it will do the job for you. And here, if you for some reason made a mistake, you always have the history here of all the changes you did, and then you can always revert the changes and go back to this previous version. So there's not really much harm you can do. So you now know pretty much all about the front end, how to build the design, but you can also jump inside the code. Therefore, on the top, click on code, and here you will see the entire code of your website. So if you are a coding person and you want to change something, you can also directly jump into the code and change something. If you're not a coding person, I would just avoid changing anything here. And much more important is the last option here, which is kind of hidden. I think they should make it more prominent. Just click on this layer here on more, because here you see the analytics of your site. You see how many visitors are on your site, the bounce rate, where they're coming from, for example, from the US or Germany, and if they were on desktop or mobile. And this is quite nice. You can also connect it to Google Analytics and have a little bit more detailed report. And under the cloud tab, you have a lot of different options you can choose from. For example, you can see your AI usage. If your website can do anything and uses AI credits, then you will see it here. And you can connect your emails. For example, emails come from your brand, and when someone contacts you, you can directly answer them with an email, or you can have a newsletter campaign and whatnot. And you can just click start it and just click through, and you can set up your own domain here, and then people directly get the email from your brand, which is quite nice, but it's a little bit more complex, so I will save this for another tutorial. And you see your database here, and here you can see, for example, we just have one database, the contact message. Every time someone contacts us on our website, we will see their name, their email address, and the message right here. You will also see the users, for example, when people sign up for your service, but we didn't build any app yet, so we don't have any users. But let's go a little bit more down here to payments, because I think this is more important and interesting, because you can accept payments. For example, you could connect Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform for selling physical goods. So if you want to sell something on your website, you can do it with Shopify, or you just leave Shopify and build it with Lovable. Then you have built-in payment systems from Lovable. Usually this goes via Stripe, and then people can pay by credit card, by PayPal, and you can again just speak to the AI and it will do the entire setup for you. So this is quite nice. And of course you have security issues sometimes if you have an app running where people can log in with their password, but you're not left alone. You can have a deep security scan, and then the AI will find vulnerabilities on your site or on your application, and it usually also suggests you how to fix them, and then you can just click enter and it will directly fix the issue for you. So very straightforward, but very important also that you check it out. And when you're done with your project, please click on security scan once, and it will help you and it will fix the issues for you. And last but not least, what I really love about Lovable, they added SEO functionality, which stands for search engine optimization. So basically how people can find you on Google or AI search, for example, in ChatGPT. And here you can also click on scan, and then it will scan your entire project for SEO optimizations. And once it's done, you can simply say fix it, and it will automatically fix everything for you. It will add, for example, headlines, it will add text to your images and whatnot. So it's perfect. You don't really need to be an expert in search engine optimization anymore, because now you have the AI working for you. And now you can see that the SEO scan is done, but it suggests you that you can try to fix it all, and then you can just click on it and the AI will do the entire thing for you. So I think this is perfect. You don't need to be an SEO expert anymore. You can just click on try to fix it all and it will do the job for you. So yeah, this is basically how you build a website with Lovable. And if you want to get started with Lovable, don't forget you will find my partner link down in the video description. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video on how to build an application with Lovable.